Morning students, welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 10th. Today we are doing part B, unit 3rd, Database Management System, second part. In this video, we will do session 2, store data in a table. We all know that we store the data in a table. Table is nothing but a combination of row and columns. Data types. What are the data types? Data types are used to identify which type of data we are going to store in the database. Like which type of value we are going to put in our tables. Like it's a number type, or it's a, we are going to add date or time, we are going to add any name, admission number, which type of data we are going to add. Data types in DBMS is broadly classified into four categories, that is numeric data type, alphanumeric data type, binary data types, and date time data type. Let's learn these four data types one by one. What is numeric data type? As the name suggests, numeric data types are used for describing numeric values for the field used in the table of a database. Like if we want to add mobile number, roll number, door number, year of school admission, true or false statements, like this is the name of the data type, boolean. If we want to take the boolean data type, then which type of value we can add, yes or no value. Value as 0 or 1. 0 is for false, 1 is for true or yes. Tiny int, tiny integer. The syntax is tiny int, or we say it as a tiny integer. It stores the range between 0 to 255. Small integer, it stores in the range between minus 2 raised to the power 53 to plus 2 raised to the power 15 minus 1. This value we can add in small integer. If we take the integer as a data type, then it can store the integer value between the range of minus 2 raised to the power 31 to plus 2 raised to the power 31 minus 1. Next is alphanumeric data type. Alphanumeric data type holds information that is simply characters like letters, numbers, punctuations. We can all add in alphanumeric. Name, addresses and descriptions are all text data, as are data that is not used in calculation like telephone number, Aadhaar card number and PIN code. So that the data type name is long varchar and its type is memo. In the memo data type, we can store up to maximum length or number indicated by the user. There is no limit to add in the memo. We can write the description in the memo. Character type. In the character type, its a type is text type. It stores exactly the length specified by user. Like 8, minimum 8, it accepts any UTF 8 characters. Varchar text, it is also a text type. It stores up the specified length, no padding, same as long varchar. Varchar ignore case, stores up the specified length. Comparisons are not case sensitive but stores capital as you type in them. Next is binary data type. Binary data type, if in this data type, if we want to use to store photos and music files, then we use binary format. Name is long var binary. It is type is image type. Stores any array of bytes like music or sounds. Binary data type stores any array of bytes, no validation required, and var binary, it's the same, stores any array of bytes, no validation required. Date and time data type. Date time data types are used for describing date and time values for the field used in the table of the database. If we want to add or ask date and time from the user, then we will take date and time data type. Name is date, description, it stores month, day and year in this format, and time stores hour, minutes and seconds, and timestamp store date and time information. Now what is relationship? Relationships are the links that associate a field in one table with a field in another table. It creates a link between the two tables, but both the two tables have a common field. A relationship works by matching a field with the same name in both the table. For example, to create a relationship, make two tables, one with the name student detail and second is the fee detail. In student detail, we have the fields student roll number, student name, student address and father's name. And in the fee details, we have only roll number and fees. But roll number and roll number. Student details table roll number is unique, common, and in fee detail roll number is common. You will only take a common field in the second table, roll number. By making a link on the common field, we can search the desired set of records from both the tables. Recap. What are the data types? Data types are used to identify which type of data or value we are going to store in the database. Numeric data types are used for describing numeric values. Alphanumeric data types hold numeric as well as characters. Also, binary data types are used for storing the binary formats like images and music. Date time data types are used for describing date and time values for the field used in the table of a database. Thank you.